Hey guys, running Kimono here. So we have another Walgreens haul. The deals are so great. I'm just back into the store, including some free cold medication. We'll talk about that in a second. We have a little chintzy little Rite Aid deal, but there's a method to this madness because the bonus cash challenge, I believe, is back, and we'll talk about that in a quick second. And then I did a little haul over at Bath & Body Works. I'm a huge fan of this store, so I'm just going to talk about this at the very end. I know it's not everybody's cup of tea, but if you like, you know, fanciness, we'll have that at the end. And a quick weather report for you guys. It's raining and it's gloomy, but it's still humid, of course, so my hair is looking awesome. And yeah, it's just kind of one of those sort of days. I hope you guys are all doing well out there, being safe, practicing social distancing and all that stuff, and wearing masks and just being really careful. And hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a fantastic day as well. Okay, so let's hop to the first store, which is Walgreens. So I'm just going to talk about some new stuff, and then we're going to repeat some old stuff from yesterday. So I didn't mention this in yesterday's video, but this is also a really killer deal. It's on these Suave Kids. It's like a 3-in-1, so a shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. This is 18 fluid ounces, so there's quite a bit of merchandise in there, or liquid. This is just a regular pen in comparison if you want just a guide to that. Like, there's a lot in there. And why I'm specifically hauling these ones, I have a bunch of nieces, and always whenever I'm putting together, like, you know, any sort of like birthday, Christmas gift, whatever, I always throw in stuff like this and toothpaste and little kid stuff. So these guys are 2 for $5. We have a $1.50 coupon from a recent Retail Me Not, so that subtracts $3 there. And with that coupon, because it's a Unilever, you can use up to 2. So your new balance is $2. You can use 2,000 points. If not, it's $1 each. So $1 for a product that's usually $3 a pop. Some pretty decent savings right there. And don't forget to photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app, because I did get a couple of points for this. And just a reminder too about the Fetch Rewards app, there was a whole host of like Tresemme, Dove, Suave. All of those expired on Sunday. We've been talking about that for the last week. So if you were hoping to get in on some of these deals for some of the different products, unfortunately that rebate is gone. Deal was just fantastic with points. These Alka-Seltzer Plus with cold, there's 36 of them. They are 54 cents a pop, so I got 3 of them for $1.62. I threw in $1 of points, so to pay 62 cents for 3 of these, yes please and thank you so much. And the expiry date, it's valid for like November of 2021. So I'm not sure if they're just liquidating this or maybe changing the package or what have you, but you might want to keep an eye out for this product. Another cheapie to look out for is cough drops, including the Halls, the Walgreens brand, up to 90% off, and also the Sucrets. Walgreens cough drops, for example, that would be $1.99, is down to 19 cents. Unfortunately, the store I visited didn't have any of that, but you might want to keep a watchful eye out. And then stuff like Blistex for your lips or whatever, all of that too, lots of them are 90% off, so you might want to keep an eye out for that. But very happy about this, because when you're not feeling so great, sometimes a little Alka-Seltzer is not bad, and it has pretty much a whole bunch of different symptoms, like relief from that, so that is pretty good. Another freebie that I indulged in again is the Robitussin, and I got some of the nighttime cough and then the severe throat one. Now, a couple of things we're going to talk about. These are absolutely free with an IVC coupon, and a lot of people were very, very confused how this is working, and they were saying, oh, you can't do that, that's not allowed. And yes, you can. When you get into problems over at Walgreens is if you have a coupon that's giving you overage. However, this product, for what it's on clearance for, to what the IVC coupon is, it zeroes it out to free. There is not 1 cent of overage, plus you're paying tax on this as well, which is abundantly clear in their coupon policy on Walgreens.com, but there's nothing written about the IVC coupon and clearance merchandise. So hopefully that's clear for a couple of you, and that's how a lot of us are making this work. And if you are not okay with this, like you think it's not okay, then don't do the deal, and that's totally fine as well. What do IVC coupons look like? Either you're finding the adults, which is this one, and it'll just drop it down to cost, and then this one too for the kids. Now again, you have 2 different options to load your IVCs. You either get the cashier to scan it, it's on page 58 of the Big Book of Savings, this guy found at the front of the store, or you can load it digitally. So if your store is just gonna, you know, give you a lot of trouble and be like, meh, just load it digitally and it'll still come off. Because yesterday, the store that I visited, I had it loaded digitally and I wanted to see if it would work that way, and it did in fact work. And I got 2 of these night cough ones, which were 79 cents each. Scanning this guy once, or I didn't even scan it, I had it loaded digitally, and the 79 cents came off for both of them, so I got it for free. The expiry date for this is next year, which is, I'm having some focusing issues today, guys, sorry about that. So as you can see, the expiry date is next July, so it's good for a year. And we have some of the nighttime ones, and they were 79 cents a piece. And the severe cough, this one was 79 cents a piece, and that $3 IVC worked in for this one as well. And it's the same, this expiry date is May of 2021. So there it is. And I know that we have a lot of teenage couponers who watch my channel, and I know that a couple of you like reached out to me to say that you couldn't even do the Robitussin deal because there's marking here. They want you to be 18 or older to buy it. So if you're going in there and you're like 13 or something like that, you might want to bring your mom in for her to do the deal, and you know, or might just want to pass on the deal. But it's on the packaging. They don't want kids, you know, buying this and do. Just be mindful of that, because it is written on the package. So if the cashier is giving you a hard time and you're under 18, it's for a reason. So maybe a parent or somebody can accompany you to help you buy it, and then, you know, help you to store it as well. So anyhow, these 4 freebies, delighted with that. I think I'm gonna stop because I bought 5 a couple days ago and I have these. Definitely gonna be giving between my in-laws, our household, and my mom's household. This stuff is really great for the winter time, especially if you get the cold or flu or something like that. And I'm very prone to throat cold, so this one I'm definitely keeping. Okay, so another deal that we did was with the these detergent products. I got one of the Purex for $2.99 and then one of the Snuggle products for $2.99. I didn't have any coupons for this, but I had a $1 coupon for this guy. So buying these 2 together, that's a subtotal of $5.98. I presented $1 coupon for this. Plus I had a $4 register reward from my Crest deal yesterday for the toothbrushes that I used for this one. So I had to pay 98 cents out of pocket, or you could use 1,000 points. In Michigan, you can use your points as part of your tax. And then I got back 4,000 points. So basically what I did here, guys, was I took my register reward and just flipped it from a register reward back into points so I can use it at a later time. Plus I have like really inexpensive detergent, so I am totally fine with that. Now, alternatively, if you have no coupons but you still want to get in on this deal, I would recommend you do it because we never see detergent this cheap. Grab 2 of them for $5.98. Use a $4 register reward from one of the deals in the last week if you've been doing Crest or something. You'll pay $1.98, or you could use 2,000 points and then you'll get back 4,000 points when you buy 2 of these products. So, you know, if you have points or register rewards floating around and you want to get in on something, this would be a fantastic deal to do. And then we did Old Faithful, of course. This guy is exactly $5. We have this wonderful $1.25 IVC coupon. You can either find it in the big book or load it digitally. It is your choice. So it drops this guy down to $3.75. I used $3 in points and paid 75 cents and put it in my cart, looked at the cashier, laughed, and laughed all the way out of the store. Well, maybe I didn't do that, but I mean, 75 cents for that. I mean, come on. This is one product all of my husband's family members were asking for during the lockdown. If it happens again, I am stocked to help everybody out. And that was the one great thing about having such a massive stockpile. So this sort of stuff I really enjoy doing. Okay guys, now just to talk about this really quickly, this is a very inexpensive Neutrogena bar soap. It is the acne one. Now we have a beauty event later in the month. I'm going to say to load the coupon and let's forget about this, and $3.49 can go a really long way in a $25 basket for beauty. So load the coupon and we will use it later. And just to show you what the digital looks like, here it is. And if you look at it really carefully, the expiry date for that is the 27th. So I think it'll work in concert with the next beauty event. If not, you'll get a bar of soap for 49 cents this week. But I would load it and just forget it and just have it in your coupons folder to use at a later time. Anyhow, just a couple odds and ends over at Walgreens. It is a fire week over there. If you can get in on some of this inexpensive detergent or even the paper products, go for it. Walk down the cold and medicine aisle. I mean, there is some steals and deals to be had and found. Okay guys, so now we're heading over to Rite Aid, and we have a little deal this week that is not too bad. I'm very delighted to see that this bonus cash is quite plentiful for this deal, which is when you spend $15, you get back $5 in bonus cash. You can do this twice per store card, and the Suave is in fact included. So the Suave this week is 2 for $5. There's a 3 off of 2 that you can use in concert with that, and you can see the gold bottles and the hairspray are in fact part of it. But it's really nice that this is back because for the longest time it wasn't, and now it is. So I'm really enjoying this deal this week. Unfortunately, Fetch Rewards, all of those extra bonuses have expired in the Discoveries page, so let's not forget that. So this deal was pretty simple. What I did was I had to break it up over 2 days because the Unilever coupon is only 2 you can use. So I grabbed 4 one day, and then the next day, this morning I went and grabbed 2 hairsprays. So I was able to complete the deal over 2 days. So grabbing 6 of these products, that would be 15 on the nose, and then subtracting 3 off of 2 coupons. That's $9 right there. Again, I had to break it up over a couple of days. I paid $6 out of pocket, got back $5 of bonus cash. So it's looking like I paid $1 for the 6 or 16 cents per hair product. Now I will let you know that 3 off of 2 coupon did in fact beep for the hairspray, but for the gold bottles of shampoo, it worked perfectly. And I still think I got like 150 points back from the Fetch Rewards app. It would have been nicer to get like $3 or $4, but hey, I'm still happy with 150 points. Okay, so if you're a Rite Aid shopper, you're definitely going to want to check out this page, bonuscashchallenges.com. Shout out to Ravi. He was talking about this a couple days ago on his YouTube page, and he's right on the money. This is awesome. The last time this came around, if you did not sign up like right away, essentially what happened is they only have like a couple thousand places, and once they're all taken, it's done. But it's just a way to give shoppers extra money for buying stuff and really going back to the store a bunch of times. So the website and my referral code will definitely be in the notes if you want to check it out. And you'll be prompted right to this page when you go to that bonus cash page. And you basically put in either your card number or your phone number associated with your Rite Aid account, and then type in my referral code. It's at the bottom of the screen. You can cut and paste it as well because I'll have it there. And then you sign in, and then you have 43 days. So from August the 1st to September the 15th, so 43 days to finish a bunch of missions. And even if you only complete like half of one or part of one, you'll still get a little something as long as you make the caps that they have. I think last time this came around, I think I got like maybe $20 extra for just like buying like Crest and a bunch of other things. Like I think I bought some toilet paper and Crest, and I got some points, and I was quite fancy. But you got to go in, select your challenges, go in and shop, and then on the 20th, the money will start rolling in and they'll send you some sort of like fancy email saying, hey, congratulations. It says between the 15th to the 20th. And if you want to go check your progress, what you do is go to that website and then just type in your phone number and boom, it'll all be there. If you're like, well, how much did I spend? It tracks progressively. And just to show you, because a lot of you are like, well, what should I select? Definitely the 6 visits for $7, Crest, Kleenex, Oral-B. If yours might have a Tide, everyone's is a little different, but just like the meat and potato stuff where you can really start building it up. So if you're a Rite Aid shopper, sign up today because this is going to go very quickly. And please use my referral code. Like, I would really appreciate it. So all of that info will be pinned at the top of this video. Check it out. Hey guys, the last thing that we're going to talk about is Bath & Body Works. And I think if a lot of you have been with me for a while, you know I'm a Bath & Body Works addict. So this is part of their fall line. And to be perfectly honest, the whole pumpkin and everything, not pumpkin my cat, but like that pumpkin scent and everything, and pumpkin spice lattes and pumpkin. If it smelled like my cat, that would be one thing, but the notes of like pumpkin and cinnamon, I've had it, man. It's too much. But this one I had to buy because, I mean, that's my cat pumpkin. Clearly, there's a little cigarette hanging out right there. I'll show you guys a little closer. I mean, just I had to buy it because it looked like my cat. And this was part of his sale last week, which was buy 4 for 20 bucks. And one of them's already in my bathroom. I like the kitchen lemon one as well. And then I got a pumpkin one just because it looked like my cat. And then these little guys are, they've had this sale for the longest time. 5 of them for $8, and if you just buy one, it's $1.95 a pop. A lot of the Bath & Body Works bloggers are giving the highest marks to this scent, which is the blackberry basil, and then this one is just a very clean hand sanitizer scent. And yeah, so that was great. And then a subscriber of mine sent me a mailer that she wasn't going to use, and it was so kind of her to get a free candle if you buy a product. So with the purchase of some of this stuff, you know, I was able to get it. I know the one here for Michigan shoppers, it was like buy a body product for under, you know, buy anything such as this, get a $5 body product. But this one was a free small candle, which was crazy. And I know she's on the East Coast, so maybe the mailers are different between like the Midwest and the East Coast. But I was still so grateful for that. So thank you so much, Amy, for this candle. I will forever appreciate and enjoy it. And I was like so excited when I saw it. And the last product we're going to talk about is a hand sanitizer called Sunshine and Lemon. This guy is $5.50 each. You get 7.6 fluid ounces. And if you look at the back, this is alcohol. It's not ethyl, so 68%. This stuff, like my husband's a man's man that, you know, goes out and drinks beer and eats nothing but red meat, and he doesn't like anything scenty or foo-foo, and that's like my avenue of what I like. He even complimented me on how much he enjoyed this one. So this one's a winner. I like it. He has a lot of problems with things that are too heavy scent, like it gives him headaches. But even for him, whatever's inside of this, he even appreciates it. And he's exceptionally picky about what the scents are in the house. But this one he really liked. And we put one of these in our car. And I think we have like just a tiny amount left. But this is like a really great product. And you get a lot of product for $5.50. So if you might be in a position where you can't find hand sanitizer, you might want to check out your local Bath & Body Works. And if you are short on cash, you can get a $20 IBOTTA gift card to Bath & Body Works and go shopping with that too. But this is a winner. I'm going to get some more this week. So anyhow, just a little chintzy little Bath & Body Works haul. And again, thank you to Amy for sending me that coupon in the mail. I put it to good use, and there's my little haul. So guys, that's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.